You don't know your grandfather name? Okay. When your grandfather they enter inside house, they put left leg, they enter near Abina right leg.
They use head waka enter.
Okay, they use head. That is a mad person.
Now you come. This caretaker will be no insult me.
To somebody Allah. Somebody is say I answer in grandfather. They enter inside room. They put right leg no press or left leg. Come on, he say they carry head they enter. No be devil do that.
You know it. You know so they're supposed to use chain, can't carry it from here, go for treatment.
I'm doing interview. I'm the caretaker of this house.
We are the caretaker.
Okay. Okay, ladies.
See, you don't get house, so this next door to my own.
I have not decided.
No, you go decide. We'll be caretaker.
Last question. Sing the national anthem.
Oh no!
For who?
For me. National anthem.
Sure, here is the House of Assembly Abi.
National anthem.
This place look like House of the Assembly Abi.
So that's why if you know sing national anthem,
even for the House of Assembly, how many people?
Sing them first, I go follow you sing them.
Me Asabian.
I be fast.
Singer.
I be fast learner for our family. They learn fast, so sing them. I go learn. No, you teach me. I know. Sing them.
They're not the idea about swimming near river.
Yeah. I sing them. See you, see mouth, see voice, everything they sing.
Now.
I know.
Now so they take start. Now so
rising. Oh, okay, that one not before.
Sure. No.
Your brain not ferment.
Nigeria, ahead. Our own, their native land.
You go wound yourself. You go wound yourself.
You won't give me bleed my ear.
Perfect. Sit down. You go wound yourself.
You know say I need this house. If I don't come up for your
You nearly Sabian.
Tell her make you not abuse me.
If you abuse you know say we'll gather and beat them. Just
Okay. By the moment of nomenclature, you have been admitted into room 4. Room 4.
Which one be room 4?
One.
Na lie. Na lie. Na lie.
If you tell me lie again, I will slap you. Hey, come on now, wait. No, sorry, say me.
No, please, no. What you now? Una comfortable give me house.
What is the problem now? I fight to call you inside, but slap you.
Calm down, no, but never reach like that.